So my IntelliStation has been complaining for a while with this warning light here that the battery is dead. Took me a lot of googling and digging into IBM's documentation to find out that was really the problem, but have some issues connecting the local survival processor to the network. It crashes and I can't log in once it gets IP address. It doesn't keep the time and doesn't keep boot configuration, for example. So it's clearly the battery, and I have received two of the same battery just from eBay. It's not really the same brand. Originally it has a Sanyo installed, but I could find the Sanyos for sale only in packs of 25, and it was quite costly. So here I have two, just arrived from the UK, and I'm going to replace it now. Now to the fun part, that is to open the beast. So I first take the sound dampening thing away. Put it here. Take the power cable out. It has this very useful ring here so the cable doesn't fall. Unscrew the side panel and with a little bit of effort take it off. Now that the machine is open, I can remove the board by lifting the two sides here, two clips, and slide it out. Very easy, very straightforward. I really love this board, it's so beautiful. Alright, so now using my iFixit tools, should be able to slide it out, maybe lift this a little bit. Don't really know how to do it. Okay. If I lift here a little bit and slide it out. Alright, it's out. And the new one is in. Done. Now all I have to do is to slide the board in, and my warning light should be gone. Apple should take note about this computer. This is how a Mac Pro should be. It's very easy to service. Very, very easy. And finally, slide the cover back in. Screw it back. Place the power cable back in. And wait until the board starts up.